guys, it's Percy once again for another amazing and stupendous and all-inspiring Percy's Fast with Toy Story. Now today's Fast with Toy Story is something very unfamiliar with us because this is a toy from Japan and the toy is dun, da, 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 a train. Well, actually it is a Shinkansen. Okay, these were produced in McDonald's Japan in 2014. Okay, isn't this amazing? You might think that this is a little uh, only a part of the toy. Well, actually, they have this particular contraption on each of the train because the series of toys that were produced in McDonald's Japan are interconnected. So once you got the train, this is basically the front of the train, then there will be a caboose or other parts of the train that you can put together so that you can have your own, miniature version of the famous Japanese Shinkanzen train, just like this one. Well, basically I have some of the other parts of the toys, but then I have yet to put them. But I will be reviewing, of course, the toys individually. Okay, as I will take them as individual toys that they are. But then I think it would be nice to be able to see also the whole, the whole shebang, the whole train, so that you can have first-hand experience. Well, a little bit of first-hand experience of how it is to have to be beside a Shinkansen train. I heard that they're really fast and very efficient even in the midst of certain troubles, like for example earthquake or tsunamis. After a couple of days, the Shinkansen is up and running to service the people to their traveling needs. Okay, so they can go from different parts of Japan with ease and nonchalance, and very comfortable travel at that. So who knows? We might be able to visit Japan also, and then get a chance to ride also in your famous Shinkansen train as we sojourn this wonderful country, Japan. Okay, so this is our fast food toy story for today, and I dedicate this song to this Japanese Shinkansen train from McDonald's Japan. Choo-choo train, sugar down the track. Gotta travel on, never coming back. Ooh, got a one-way ticket to the blues. Bye-bye, love, my baby's leaving me. Now only teardrops are all that I can see. Ooh, got a one-way ticket to the blues. I'm gonna take a trip to Lonesome Town. Gonna take a heartbreak hotel. A fool such as I will never love. Cry my tears away. Choo-choo train, sugar down the track. Gotta travel on, we never coming back. Ooh,